Well, hello and welcome to another video in this current series renovating this back garden for a customer. In this video you're going to see how I clear all this turf off this lawn plus create another soakaway over the other side of the garden. You saw me create the dry spring bed soakaway. This one's going to be for the water harvesting system overflow over the other side. So yeah, we'll catch up with that part later. For now, let's get digging. So all of the turf has now been removed from the garden. There is the wildlife pond that you saw me almost complete last week. Okay, this can't be buttoned up until the soil has been brought in after the stone sets have been put in. I'm just now doing an extra job for the customer. This is going to be another soakaway pit for the overflow discharge pipe from here, this underground drainage pipe you can see under this paving, which is put in by a builder before I got here, is a water harvesting system. The customers can pump out the water via that outside tap, which is going to be very good for topping up the wildlife pond with rainwater over the summer months when evaporation kicks in and there's not much rainfall. But in the case of a lot of rainfall, we need somewhere for that excess water to go should this tank fill up. So I'm going to be running underground drainage pipe over to here, down into here. It's going to eventually have two aqua blocks put in with a membrane round and the gravel, exactly the same process as I did over there for the dry stream bed from that rainwater pipe. So I've got about another 30-40 centimeters to go. It's going to be around about a meter deep down there, so I'll show you that once it's all done or I'm getting ready to put the blocks in. as always, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. In the next video, you're going to see me laying all the stone sets in the middle of the garden, start shaping that area where the lawn's eventually going to go. Till then, see you later.